Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick process tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can very quickly create an accurate garment sketch like this jacket, turn this into a jacket or a puffy jacket or an orange puffy jacket based on the description. And then we can use this layer together with the different modes, generate standard, which is fast, detailed is slower, to generate then different 3D models, which we can then rotate around, write a prompt, create a new rendering, or we can simply export that 3D model and so we could insert this into a new design. I would always suggest to create the designs when you make a new 3D model individual. So you have to separate as individual files. So let's say for jackets, I would make 4 jacket files. But how do we do this jacket drawing in the first place actually? So this is super easy. You can take a photo of somebody or a garment, bring this in, have it as an underlay. I will treat this as an underlay. Then we will make a new layer. And then the tools you want to use. There's nothing else than the brush tool, kind of like a not too thick brush stroke, so maybe 5. Yep, that is good. Then we can work with a nice black, and then you want to turn on the symmetry, because with symmetry, you will see you actually sketch, well, symmetrically. Okay, very good. So before we start drawing, for those who don't have an iPad and a pencil, go to the settings, set the stabilizer to 3. Hardness, yeah, we can keep there, very good. And then essentially all you need to do is very carefully start tracing these elements. There we are, just with the mouth. No, with the mouse. Seriously, this TH, who came up with that? It's such a tongue breaker. There now, you see how I'm drawing this. I'm just retracing what I drew before. And the lines are a little bit broken. All good. Don't worry. The AI is going to use this only as a suggestion anyway. Then I'm making the stroke a little bit smaller. And now I'm sketching in, let's say, the fold lines and such. Oh, we also need the zipper. So back to the black color and a stronger size. And I'm holding shift right here and draw a line down. That is way too big. Uh, Maybe we just go with 3. Yeah. For the zipper thing up here, we can just draw in some elements that gives the idea, oh, there's something happening. Properly then we'll put in the the handle for the zipper. Yeah, and that honestly really is all. So if I go back to what I have created here, and then you just define the prompt. So is it just a jacket? And just only make one image so it's faster. Drawing influence also 100. You can experiment with the drawing influence. Oh, there we are. Okay. Looks already a little bit puffy. If we say a shiny winter puffy jacket, then you will see actually the prompt really is going to follow everything what you're saying. There we are. There, no? Super puffy. It really looks inflated. It is silver. It is shiny. Really well executed. And that's it. That is really the whole trick to creating nice renderings of a jacket based on the sketch, based on the prompt, and then we convert this into a 3D model and export it and then import it in our new design through the upload to 3D model file. So you could then position the 3D models, and render them.